Hello and welcome back to our channel. For those of you who are new to us, my name is Marcus and I'm the trainer here at Concept of Price. I hope you guys have been safe, keeping yourself safe and healthy throughout this whole period in COVID. I know times has been difficult, but I'm sure we will pull through together. It's been a while and today I'm just going to share with you just a follow-up on something which I've touched on before, and this thing is called the importance of a mentorship system, a program. Now if you want to choose a trading course to take, I'm sure you will want to have a good follow-up on your progress, a good follow-up in terms of helping you to clear up your doubts, etc. So I've spoken about this in my previous video about a good mentorship program, and at Concept of Price, our mentorship program is comprised of 3 portions. The first is a trade log, second live chat, and third was a coaching session. Now I've spoken extensively on the live chat and coaching session, and what I'm going to focus on today is trade logs. Now what is trade logs? Very simply put, trade log is for us, what we are doing is very visual, right? So what we want our members to do, or what I require our members to do, is to mark the position, the place where they have taken the trade, right? Put in the strategy name, their entry price, their stop loss, whatsoever, and then do a screen capture. Let me show you an example of a trade log. This is a trade log done by one of our members who was very new. She joined us and during the time when COVID just started, just before circuit breaker, right? In April last year. That's right. So after practicing for a while, she went live. And this was the first trade log, a live trade log which she has sent me. As you can see here, she had taken a trade here, all right, a short trade here, with one of her strategy. She had marked it. She put in her entry price. She put in a stop level as well. Now this is important to me because when I take a look at your logs, I want to make sure that you actually enter a trade at the correct position. You are not second guessing the market. You are not anticipating. You are following the parameters in which we set and define for each of these strategies. All right. So she had taken this trade here. Market went down. She hit her target. This was the first trade she did for that night. The second trade she did for that night was here. All right. She took a long trade here. Based on another strategy called a TSS. She took a long trade here. She got her profit here. Well, she decided that the night is still young. She has not hit her target yet, so she went for another trade later when an opportunity presented. And this was the third trade that she took here, another LS trade that she took here. A short trade, and she got her profit here. All right. Now, what do you do after that, or what would my members do after that? As I said, after each trade they do a screenshot. And this screenshot is actually captured. Before they logged off for the night, what they do is they attached each of these screenshot into an email and send it to me. So an example here, and this is the lady here, right, a new trader. So send it to me. I will mark your logs, and I will make my reply to you. If there's anything that needs to be corrected, if it needs to be corrected, I will make my comments here and send it back to you. I'll show you an example of that later on. All right. Now she also sent us a testimonial here. And this is basically what she said. She had no regrets choosing us to start her trading journey. All right. We made it's our responsibility, our commitment, to mark each individual's trade logs. And she has definitely recommended people to us, and we thank her for that. Now, every individual who send their trade logs to me, all their trade logs are not deleted. I will actually create a folder, each individual folder. Each trader has a folder, by the way. All right, and then I'll put all their trade logs into it. Now, this is important to me because remember the third component in our mentorship program, which is called coaching. Right? Some members do call us up for coaching session to meet face to face, to clarify some doubts. Now, before I meet someone for a coaching session, what I do is that I'll actually go through all their trade logs, just to get a feel of what they are doing, a feel of the kind of trades that they take, what are the common mistakes they make, what are the good things they do, before I meet them, so that when we meet up, for the coaching session is actually more productive. Okay, let me show you what I mean. All right, let me bring up the folder. Wait. Sorry, wrong one, sorry. Okay, here. All right, now since we started in the year 2007, okay, until now, all right, I've kept every year. It's all group by year, okay, group by month. Now let's look at the current year, for example, 2021. Okay, 2021, okay, we have conducted 5 courses so far. Okay, January, March, May, etc. Now let's look at the last one in September that we conducted. Okay, these are the people who have sent me their trade logs. Okay, I'm going to choose a lady again. All right. Now this is a follow-up, okay, of my previous video. Okay, when I received question on whether ladies can trade, okay, in a male-dominated trading environment. Okay, why do I choose these ladies? And to show you that they actually can trade. All right. So let's look at this lady here. Okay, Myra. All right. So these are all her logs here. Okay, I'm going to bring up her file. Okay, which I've opened. Okay, so for her, she had taken a short trade here called a GTR, and this is a comment that I made. Okay, I actually took this same trade, but Myra actually entered at a better price than me. She took a short trade, right? So this was the first trade she took. The second trade she took here. Okay, now I wasn't too happy with this particular trade. Okay, and I explained to her, okay, why this might be best left not taken. All right. Well, I made my comment here, etc. So I do make my comment, I do give feedback in my logs, etc. And this is the log, with my comments here made, I will then send email back to you, reply. Okay, usually within the same night itself. Okay, usually by 2 a.m. you should receive your logs. If not, if too many logs or I'm too tired, okay, within 24 hours you should receive my reply. Okay, now let's get back to this again. Okay, all right, so this is about trade logs. Okay, I've shown you examples of 2 ladies who have done very well with us. All right, their trade logs they sent to me, and this is a process in which I help to monitor, help to point out mistakes, okay, help to fine-tune, okay, fine-tune your strategies to be able to help you to progress, help you to be able to be a consistent trader. And this is a pleasure that which I've taken on upon myself to help our fellow members who have placed their trust in COP. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Okay, if you like it, leave a comment below. Let us know what topics you would like us to produce to show you in our next video. Remember to subscribe for more upcoming videos and click on the notification bell. Alright, I will see you in the next video. But just in case you wish to contact us, okay, you can contact us via our email at info@conceptofprice.com, or you can go to our Facebook. Okay, just search for Concept of Price. You can leave us a message on our Facebook and we'll get back to you. Thank you for watching this video once again, and please remember to stay safe.